Everyone, myself Anuruchi. I'm second year BCom student of Marine College, Kutikana. So, welcome to this seminar on a critical issue, water pollution. Our rivers, lakes, and other water bodies are under threat due to human interventions. So, from chemical pollutants to plastic wastes, our water bodies are facing a huge threat due to many reasons. So, in this seminar, I am going to discuss how the Manimala River, originating from Kottayam district, undergoes this water pollution, and how the local people are affected from this pollution. So, I'm basically going to discuss how what are the causes and consequences, and also most importantly the possible solutions that we can give to um, avoid this kind of pollutions happening in our society and in our water bodies. So especially I will discuss how the government policies and individual actions affects this pollutions. So embark this journey with me, so we can delve deeper into this aspect. To start our discussion, I would like to start this discussion with the importance of clean water. So clean water is very essential in our daily lives, not only for humans, but it is very essential to sustain our lives on earth. So it's not meant for humans, for other aquatic plants and other living organisms existing in our earth. So the urge for clean water continues to sustain lives on earth. So what we need is the pollution less water and the cleanless water. That is the urge of our living organisms existing on this earth. This seminar focuses the pollution that is happening right now in Manimala River. So Manimala River basically originating from Kottayam district, and it flows through Alapura as well as Pathanamthitta district. So being the one of the reason for sustaining life, it still faces many threats, that is human as well as non human interventions. So the people residing nearby places of this Manimala River who just depends huge uh, on this river for their sustenance of life. But their daily lives gets affected due to the amount of pollution happening right now in this river. So as per many researchers, the pollution is mainly due to human invention, and it affects not only human but mainly the cattle that is depending on this river. So many researchers point out that this is because of the huge number of factories, urbanization, and other industrialization happening uh, nearby places of this river. When we say urbanization, we have to delve deeper into that thing. So, have you ever thought of how urbanization negatively affects our water bodies? So, if there urbanization is increasing day by day, so the increasing rate of urbanization may also increases the amount of phosphorus. So, this will negatively affect our water bodies and it may get polluted. So, the next effect is that the cause is that the factories operating nearby the Manimala River. So the factories will dump chemical wastes and other plastic wastes to the river, and it becomes one of the major problems that pollutes our river. And the other problem is with the tourists visiting the river. So when tourists visit the river, they may dump plastic waste in nearby places, and it becomes more difficult for the local people to get into the river and use it properly. And also for the animals who's using that river for water and other facilities, the dumpage of wastes may become difficult for them to for use that river for many causes. So it is very important to analyze this cause and find solution for this. So also the awareness from the concerned authority and the governing bodies is becomes a major threat to our water bodies. Also, as per UNESCO report 2023, 26% of this access to sanitation or other facilities. So when the pollution gets out of this society, that's how we can build a clean water bodies around us. So it's become our responsibility to take preventive action against this kind of pollutions happening in our water bodies, because it is the our water bodies is the main reasons why we are sustaining in this uh, earth. So we can make use of available resources and time to get out of this pollution. So we have time and resources. The problem is that we are not making use of the available resources to the best. So we can make awareness classes to the native people residing near our water bodies, not just for Manimala River, for all the water bodies. This is the situation. So we can make awareness classes for the natives as well as the tourists, and we can also discuss this with the governing bodies or concerned authorities regarding this pollution happening, and we can take corrective steps by consulting them. So it is high time that we must raise our voice. So this was all about this seminar, which is um, not only the pollution but also its solution. So thank you for listening.